morning and good morning. We're talking about steps to strength and unity, and just wanted to welcome you back to the Family Reset Daily Steps. And so I want to talk about today one of the most powerful ways to strengthen your family, and that's serving others. So we're on day 25 of the power of serving others. Serving others, serving others. So families grow stronger when they serve together. Galatians 5:13 reminds us, through love, serve one another when we step outside of our daily routines to help others, whether it's volunteering, supporting a neighbor, or simply being there for someone in need. We teach our children and ourselves the value of kindness, humility, and love in action. So today, here's the challenge. I want you to find one way to serve as a family. It could be helping a friend, preparing a meal for someone, or just even offering words of encouragement. When we give, we receive even more in return, and it works over and over again. So strong families don't just exist, they give and grow together. So let's reset by making service a part of our family's culture. We'll see you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. And I can remember taking my kids down to feeding the homeless or just doing things that we were able to serve others. And we have been a strong family as a result. All right, you guys have a good day. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow.